We have launched a new feature for Trendlyne users which tracks big buys and sells of shares made in companies. This is the insider trading and SAST section. This feature tracks all large stocks market transactions happening in the Indian market. These insider and SAST trades are done by corporate insiders such as promoters, officers, directors, or by large shareholders and investors. You can search for a specific insider trade and SAST information using the search bar. You can search in terms of a company name or a kind of transaction such as pledge. You can also search by a particular investor name. Let's say you want to search for a particular stock. You would get all the insider trading and SST deals for that particular stock. Also, you can click on the table headers to sort. By clicking on the amount traded percentage, for example, you'll get the biggest trades first. You can also filter the insider trading and SST information on the basis of date, market capitalization, different indices, your portfolio and your watch list, different industries and as well as different sectors. Let's say you want to look at all the insider and SST trades in cement and construction sector. You can just click on cement and construction sector, select the period in which you want to see insider trading and SST data, click on search, and you'll get the insider trading and SST information for that particular sector. Let's have a better understanding of the data given in this table. Let's take a row and understand what it means. As you can see, Vikram Bed, who is also a promoter, made an acquisition of Vinayak Polycon International Limited and reported this transaction to exchange on 28 Feb 2019. The quantity of stocks which were acquired were 76,337 and the post-transaction holding was 1,52,448 shares, which accounts for 4.95% of total Vinayak Polycons International Limited shares. The traded percentage is 2.48% and the period in which this transaction happened is 19 Feb 2019 to 26 Feb 2019. Also, the mode of this deal is market. You can easily sort the information by clicking on the column headers. For example, if you click on the action header, you can sort the insider trades and SAST in the following order: acquisition, which also means purchase of shares, disposal or sale of shares, invoke, when pledged shares are invoked by companies or banks who have provided the collateral which may result in acquisition of stake in the company. Usually this is a negative signal. Pledge, when shares are used by promoters as collateral for loans. Usually this is a negative signal. Revoke, an action when shares are released from a pledge. Usually this is a positive signal. Similar column sorting can be done by client category, security type, as well as transaction mode. Using insider trading and SST data, we have derived a list of parameters. In addition to those list of parameters have been used to build screeners. Building and using screeners with these SST and insider parameters will be discussed in the second part.